Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily force shut down your Samsung A32 when you don't have your touchscreen working. So here, as you can see, we have our phone, and to do a shutdown, let me explain to you. So at first we have to hold the power button, which is here, and the volume down button for 10 seconds until you see that your display is turned off. Then lower the pressure on both buttons and quickly hold simultaneously volume up and power. This is complex, but quite complex, but it's working. Now we have jumped to the volume up buttons, and we should see the Android recovery mode. Here, straight from the Android recovery, now we can move with the volume down button to the power off. If your display doesn't work at all, remember that it's, as you can see, 1, 2, wait a moment, I need to count it manually. From the top, as you can see, option here, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 clicks to power off. To confirm the power off, click the power button. And actually that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!